Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to make a running rabbit by Origami. Are you ready? Let's get started. First we'll take a square sheet. We'll fold through the diagonal to get a triangle. Again fold through the center to get a smaller triangle. We'll press the sides firmly to get a crease. Now we'll take one side with two flaps open and tear the side into a semicircular shape. We'll leave some part at the bottom so that it doesn't completely come out. We'll fold one flap to the one side and the other flap on the other side. Like this we'll make the legs of the rabbit. With the tiered parts, as you can see, we have made the ears of the rabbit. Now we'll take a red pen and draw the eyes of the rabbit. We'll also draw a smile on the rabbit's face on both sides. Hold the tail of the rabbit and the bottom of the legs tightly. Now push the tail forward and the legs backward. Doing this at a speed, it will feel like the rabbit is running. Voila! Our rabbit is ready to run at full speed. Try this out at your home guys and let me know if you could make it and how you enjoyed it. Hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you did. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I update some new content. Goodbye guys.